Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the Google spreadsheet Countif function. So the Countif function is a very powerful function because it does two things. It will count only if, so basically it's a count and an if statement in one. It will count only a value if it matches a certain condition. So let me explain that to you in an example so you have a better understanding of that. So imagine we have here products, and in these products we have some fruits. And I'm just going to put in some random products, and I put some duplicates in there as well. So we have grapes, we have melon, we have mango, we have oranges, and then we have again another melon, another mango, and then we have apples again, and we have oranges, and one more mango. Alright, so what we really want to do is, imagine you have this list, but this list is very large. So we're going to just add up multiple values here. Alright, so we got them. So now you'll say, well, okay, this is really nice. We have this large list, and I need to count now how many apples has been registered. How do you do that? As you can see here, we have so many here. And how can we do it? You can count them one by one, or use a if statement, use some tricks. But that's not the way you should do it. You can do it just as one command. So we can use here for the Countif function. So what you do is type in equal Countif, open parentheses, and then you can see here two things. So number one, we have the range. And number two, we have the criteria. So what is a range? Imagine this is a range. And what we have more is, well, this is our entire column. What is the criteria? Well, very simple. Let's select here on B. And then we're going to put in a value in here. Enter. So right now we are still 0 because there's no criteria. However, let's type in our criteria apples. Now you can see in total there are 12 apples in here. And that could be right. And if you really want to check that out, we can just sort the values, double check. And let's sort them from A to B. Yes, alright. So you can see here, let's close this message. You can see here, we have in total of 12 apples. So meaning this works very well. So if you want to change that to grapes, you can see 4 grapes in this list. So this is really powerful. And understand, Countif will count only how many times something appears. Yes? So this is not a sum. In the next video I will go deeper in some other functions that we have. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to this, in the link we have a description going to a wonderful Google spreadsheet course to go deeper and explore more about the capabilities of Google Spreadsheets.